Hi everyone, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're showcasing the Logitech Pebble i345 mouse, and this is specifically made for the iPad, iPad Air, and iPad Pro that are compatible with these. The new iPad OS allows you to use trackpads and mice, so this is one of the first mice from Logitech to allow for that, and you can use it on multiple different kinds of iPads. So if you have different ones, you're in luck. So it has a battery inside. You pull this out to activate it. The buttons are very easy to click on. And then this also has a button here, and it has a scroll wheel. And then on the bottom, you have your on switch and your pairing option right there. And this is Bluetooth. So this pairs directly with the iPad OS. And it's extremely easy to use. It has a laser, so there's no ball at the bottom. So it keeps everything clean. Here's some more information about the mouse right here. So you can pause the video anytime and take a look at that. And this is it, the Logitech Pebble i345 mouse for iPad, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.